Hi, everyone. In today's video, we're going to simplify the concept of state and state management in Jetpack Compose. Whether you're new to Compose or looking to refine your skills, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how state works and how to manage it effectively in your apps. In Jetpack Compose, state refers to any piece of data that determines the UI of your app. The value of this data can change over time, and when it does, the UI will update automatically. For example, consider a button that toggles between two states on and off. When we press it, we update its state, and Compose will handle re-rendering the UI for us. Here is on as our state, and we're using the remember function to store the value. The mutableStateOf creates a state variable that will automatically update the UI when its value changes. In Compose, remember keeps the state across recompositions. When you update the state, Compose will trigger a recomposition of that part of the UI. Here's how it works. The mutableStateOf creates a piece of mutable state, and remember ensures that this state is retained between recompositions even if the composable is redrawn. In this example, we have a counter. Every time we click the button, the count increases and the UI is updated because Compose listens to changes in state. When the state of a composable changes, it triggers recomposition essentially. The UI is re-evaluated and redrawn. Compose only recomposes the parts of the UI that are affected by the state change. So, if only the counter value changes, only the counter-related components are recomposed, making it highly efficient. Notice how the UI updates both the counter and the status. However, only the text that is tied to the state changes will be recomposed. This is one of the key benefits of Jetpack Compose efficient UI updates. In more complex apps, it's common to manage state in higher-level composables and pass it down to children composables. This is known as state hoisting. State hoisting makes composables reusable and flexible. Let's look at an example where we hoist the state of the counter to the parent composable. Here, we've hoisted the state up to the parent composable, allowing it to manage the state and pass it down to the counter with hoisted state composable. This approach is useful for building more modular and reusable UI components. And that's a simplified introduction to state and state management in Jetpack Compose. To recap, state is a core concept, and understanding how to manage it effectively will make your Compose apps powerful and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more Android development tutorials. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover other Compose topics.